If you're dealing with inflammation, whether it's joint pain, digestive problems, or chronic diseases, you may have come across various natural remedies. Today, I want to highlight one specific herb that effectively combats inflammation, and the best part is that it's supported by solid scientific evidence. In this video, you will learn how it works, how to use it safely, and what the research says. Okay, let's get started. What is this herb? This spice, known for its bright yellow color, is commonly used in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisine and is named turmeric. For centuries, it has also been valued in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for its healing properties. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is responsible for many of its impressive health benefits. How does turmeric fight inflammation? Chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, works by inhibiting key molecules in the body that trigger inflammation, such as nuclear factor kappa B and cytokines. Numerous scientific studies have demonstrated that curcumin can lower markers of inflammation in both blood and tissues. A 2016 review published in the journal Foods analyzed over 120 studies and confirmed the significant anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric. How to use turmeric effectively? Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, isn't easily absorbed by the body on its own. However, when combined with black pepper, specifically piperine, a compound found in black pepper, the absorption of curcumin can increase by up to 2,000%. To enhance the benefits of curcumin, you can incorporate turmeric powder into your meals, enjoy turmeric tea, or take high-quality curcumin supplements that include piperine for improved absorption. Safety and dosage. Turmeric is generally considered safe, but high doses may cause digestive upset in some individuals. If you are taking blood thinners or have gallbladder issues, please consult your doctor before starting turmeric. What about other anti-inflammatory herbs? While turmeric is a top choice, herbs like ginger, boswellia, and green tea also have anti-inflammatory properties, but turmeric stands out because of its extensive research backing. So, if you want a natural, scientifically backed way to fight inflammation, turmeric is the herb to try. Remember to use it with black pepper for best results, and always check with your healthcare provider if you have any health conditions. If inflammation is causing you significant issues, you should also watch the video about 10 powerful foods that will help you fight it. See you and stay healthy.